In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect AvaFutures to TradingView. But before we begin, you want to make sure that you confirm your AvaFutures account. It's active and you have completed the identity verification so that you can log in successfully to your AvaFutures dashboard, because the TradingView only works with live approved accounts. I want you to go to your TradingView dashboard and hover down to the bottom left corner where you can see the trading panel. Click on it, and on the search find broker, I want you to type in AvaFutures. Okay? And then there is an option here that says connect. It's very simple. You will be forwarded to your AvaFutures account. Remember, you want to make sure that your accounts are both ready, so it's a lot easier to seamlessly connect the two of them. Now, once connected, you can execute trades directly from the TradingView chart interface without switching back to a separate broker platform, making order placement faster and more intuitive, because you can get access to smart alerts and the ability to build or use custom indicators and strategies with the TradingView's Pine scripts. That gives you better setup, signals, and automated strategy testing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.